There's a new movie in Skillsville. Tap the movie screen to play the movie. The movie doesn't have any sound effects. A sound effect is a special sound you hear in a movie or TV show. You can be a sound effects artist and decide what sounds to put in the movie. Sound Effect Artist Challenge! Add sound effects to the movie. We only have one sound right now. Tap on the rooster. We added the rooster sound. Now the dinosaur sounds like the rooster. We can make the sound different with a filter. Test one out. This makes sounds faster. Let's try another one. This one makes your sound go back to normal. This is how it sounds without any filters. Let's try adding a new sound. Go outside to find one. This makes sounds slower. Sound effects artists can make new sounds by recording the world around them. Let's record that slurping straw. Tap to record its sound. We recorded a new sound. I wonder how it'll sound in the movie. Let's go test it out. Try putting your new sound in the scene. Tap the straw sound. Woohoo! I like that sound too. Pick the sound and filter you like best. When you're ready, tap this button to show your movie in the movie theater. What's that in the trees? A dinosaur? Challenge complete! You earned the Sound Effects Artist Badge. Let's choose a new movie to work on. Hungry Quest. ParCora's cooking up something delicious. Use the arrows to look around. There's lots of new sounds to find.
Beep, 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 beep.
This movie needs 3 sounds. You can switch which part you want to work on here. Order up! The food is ready! The peoples can't wait to eat! Bon appetit!
Beep, 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 beep.
Beep, 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 beep.
Let's preview your movie. You can tap the movie theater button to see your movie. ParCora's cooking up something delicious. Order up! The food is ready! The peoples can't wait to eat! Bon appetit! Soup-tacular! Jurassic Adventure! We got a new filter. Try it with a sound to see how it makes your sound different. Dev's on an adventure in the jungle.
Beep, 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 beep.
What's that in the trees? A dinosaur? This makes sounds echoey. He's friendly. He must be a friendosaurus. Dev's on an adventure in the jungle. What's that in the trees? A dinosaur? He's friendly. He must be a friendosaurus. Dynamite. Dev's on an adventure in the jungle. What's that in the trees? A dinosaur? He's friendly. He must be a friendosaurus. Dynamite. Mission possible. We got a new filter. Try it with a sound to see how it makes your sound different. That beeple's going to slip right off the mountain. We recorded all the interesting sounds. We can use them in movies in a lot of different ways. The rescue people is blowing their horn to call for help. Woohoo! Racer Rae to the rescue! This filter makes sounds go backwards. That beeple's going to slip right off the mountain. The rescue people is blowing their horn to call for help. Woohoo! Racer Rae to the rescue! Radical rescue! You did it! You made sounds for all the movies. You're a pro sound effects artist. Keep playing to try new combinations.